Namaste and welcome to SonaliJoshi's Astrojyotihealing. In this video, we're going to see what are the remedies, what can we do to improve the results or getting the most if you have retrograde Venus and retrograde Mercury in your horoscope. Venus and retrograde Mercury in your horoscope. If you are new to astrology, usually planets like Mars, Sun, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, they have a forward direction. On the other hand, Rahu and Ketu, they are always into retrograde motion. Retrograde means different from the normal, different from the norm. The word retrograde, Vakri, means repeat again and again. Do it again to improve. It usually works in the reverse way of normal Karakatva. For example, if in your horoscope any planet is going to give you a lot of things, if it is a retrograde planet, you may end up giving things to people. Why this happens? Because of this retrogression, your energies and universe energies have a mismatch. And typically, Venus is Karaka of relationships, all the finances, and Mercury, that is Karaka of siblings, seasons, as well as it is Karaka of your communications. These two planets are retrograde. People have issues related to understanding other persons, their perspectives, their communications, and hence, in this video, we are going to see what we can do to improve the significations of retrograde Mercury and Venus. The dates for retrograde Venus are given here. The dates for retrograde Mercury are given here. There is no need to be afraid of or getting frustrated about having retrograde planets in your horoscope. There are so many public personalities, public figures, successful people who are born with retrograde planets. However, it does indicate they have put in lot of efforts in achieving whatever they have achieved. We can always perform chakra meditation related to the planet and get the best from this energy. Mercury retrograde is usually linked to the Swadhisthana chakra. The meditation for this Swadhisthana chakra is Bam, Bham, Mam, Yam, Ram and Lam. You can say these bijaksharas anytime in the day, as many times as you want. Usually doing 108 are advisable. Retrograde Mercury is related to the reproductive cycle or issues related to all the organs that are around the hip area. Do these chants regularly and you will get lot of benefits. The issues related to retrograde Mercury will be minimized. If you have retrograde Venus in your horoscope, the issues related to retrograde Venus are usually related to Mooladhara chakra. And the chants or the Bija mantra that one should do in order to get better results from this placement are Vam, Sham, Sam, Sham. When people have retrograde Venus, their choices about relationships are usually different from other people of the same age. If you have Venus retrograde in your horoscope, you will also see that the way you dress, choose jewelry, ornaments, you design your interior of the home is usually different from other people of your age. And hence, this energy is seen directly affecting what you analyze around the world and how you accept your own self, the choices that you make. If you want to get the best from this Venus, do the chants that I mentioned above. Same way, every retrograde planet is here to give you an opportunity to give back to the society. Use this opportunity for the benefit of humankind. People with usually retrograde Venus are seen into entertainment industry, teaching profession, medicine profession. People with retrograde Mercury are seen into communications related industry. It could be mobile phones, it can be news media, or it can be related to relationships between human beings. They are the HR people sometimes in companies. They could be lawyers or they could be sports people. But there is one thing that is common, that is the repeated behavior, repeated tasks, repeated projects these guys will do. And for every repetition, they keep on improving. If you want to know more about such interesting facts in astrology, follow this channel. You can also send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. Do the donation to charity given in the link and send the email. Looking forward to hear from you. If you have any specific experiences related to retrograde Mercury and retrograde Venus, please respond in comments. Namaste. Thank you. Shubhamastu.